Thanks for stopping by our channel today. Today I'm going to show you how to wash cloth diapers in a front loader. Thank you very much for liking this video and subscribing to our channel. In the description below, I'll link a blog post on storing dirty diapers. But as for now, just remember to remove all poop before you throw it in the wash, and I'll show you how we do our laundry. So what you guys have to remember is every washing machine is different. In the description below, I have 2 links. Those will help you to know what wash routine you should have for your washing machine and some helpful tips about what detergent to use or not use. And I'm just going to show you how we do ours. So for our pre-wash, we use line 1 of powdered original Tide, which just goes to show you that you don't need these fancy cloth diaper detergents. So for our pre-wash, we set our washer to quick wash and we set our temperature to hot. And you must remember it can't be over 60 degrees Celsius. And then we set our soil level to heavy and press start. So now that we're done with our pre-wash, we're going to move on to our main wash. And this is very crucial. We're going to bulk our load. So I bulk my load with dishcloths, bibs, some of our own underwear, boxers, socks if we need to. But mostly I will also add our son's clothing. With the front loader, this is a little bit more difficult. It will take a couple of trial and errors. So bulking is important because it allows for your diapers to get the proper friction to have a proper clean. I'm going to show you how we do our main wash. So we add half a cup of borax and line 3 of Tide. And then I already have this preset, but I'm going to turn it to heavy duty. My temperature will be at cool and my soil level will be on heavy. And then we'll go ahead and start her up. So we like to hang dry our cloth diapers and inserts and stuff. You are allowed to use a dryer, but to prolong the life of your cloth diapers, I would recommend drying on a low setting. For liners and wipes and socks and all that stuff, I love using these things from IKEA, the octopus. Hanging your covers just like this helps to prolong the life of the elastics. What we love about the all-in-twos is you see how they snap together. You can actually save space while hanging is by already getting a set of inserts snapped together and then they can just hang. Thanks for liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and I hope your next laundry day is so much more enjoyable.